I went on holiday to San Francisco. And before flying, I went to the airport lounge. And during the first week, I stayed in a beautiful Airbnb, really enjoyed my time and had a relaxing time, especially in the pool. I really enjoyed spending time in the pool and enjoying nice food with the family and just exploring around in the sun. Being in the sunny wine country, we just had to go for wine tasting and we went to the Bricola vineyards. Here we are today at the How Party, everyday sunshine. For this wine tasting, we were welcomed with a glass of champagne and then we had some food alongside some wine pairings, and it was really, really nice to have.
Because it has that beautiful strawberry acidic, it's beautiful and very, very well balanced.
My 1 month stay in San Francisco really highlighted a key time for me to go to summer school with Michelle Phan. And Michelle Phan is one of the biggest creators I aspire to, and it was such an amazing experience to have her mentor me and many other beautiful creators. Here I learned a lot of things about mindset, setting your values, finding your purpose, and really establishing my storytelling ability to cater to all of you. I am super happy to have met such amazing people in this course and really strengthened my ability to share more everyday topics with you. Speaking of just getting feedback, so I'm talking more about like unfulfilled work, and I've kind of got like a little, I kind of wrote like a mini essay about it. I put, the moment that you open your eyes, you wake up to see the world around you. What are the first things that you see around you? And then I might put like a video of like an alarm clock or a window, brushing your teeth, having breakfast and coffee.
I think this is a really great start. I love how, like, a few things I want to highlight on this is what I love a lot about the beginning is the moment you open your eyes, like already right there, that is a hook, because you are telling a story and it feels like it's poetic and there's intention behind it. Like you're actually making that emotional connection.
I was actually a bit nervous starting this because it's a little bit diverted from luxury fashion and beauty, but at the same time, because I have a bit more of a therapeutics behind it and more mindset about why I choose certain things in luxury fashion, because you have to really think about buying, I don't know, a £7,000 bag. It's quite expensive, so you really have to take the time to think about it. Is it worth it? So I kind of want to take that but into more everyday things. And also I kind of miss researching because I used to be a scientist, and I kind of want to take that across as well.
I think you figured all of this out, and I think that's wonderful, and I'm so glad that you're sharing your whole thought process, because I feel like a lot of people are also learning from this too. And it's telling me a lot about how I think if you keep this up, and I'm looking forward, like, please share your content whenever you're done with it. Love to see how it looks and turns out. And I love that you're researching. This is why I really want to emphasize on your interest makes you interesting. So if these are things that you want to explore because you love it, because I know many of us, we have multiple things that we enjoy, but we can't share everything. But if there's something that you enjoy a little more than all the other things, I would follow my intuition on that and see where it takes you. And I love that you did that. So wonderful.
Thank you, Michelle Phan, and also James as well, for organizing and guiding us through the whole course. And it is amazing that so many of you in this course are just growing, and we're still supporting to each other to this very day. And I am super happy to see what everybody creates and grow together. Today we're at the pumpkin spent some quality time with my sister and my nephew and niece with my mom, and we went to the pumpkin patch so that we can feel extra festive because this was during October time. And this is such a cute and adorable place, and isn't my nephew and niece so cute? We went to enjoy some wine, some seafood, and of course the chowder at Sam's Chowder. And then afterwards we went to take a nice little walk along the coastline. And very quickly, there it was my last week in San Francisco. We enjoyed the Science Museum where we saw so many animals and so many butterflies, and it's really, really cute in there. And on the day of my flight back to London, we also went to the zoo and we spent one last moment with my family in San Francisco before heading back to London. And before my flight to London, of course, I went to the lounge and enjoyed a glass of champagne and some curry. And thank you for watching my vlog, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!